My plan is to be thrown in the garbage truck. My plan is to sleep in a bed with 10 people. My plan is to eat a cupcake with lots of messy bananas.
These are good plans.
My plan is to be with Oscar the Grouch in his trash can.
Are those all your plans for 2010?
Nope. My plan is to eat a cake by eating all of the messy turnips.